What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for returning to another motivational cleaning video. Today is Christmas Eve, and I cannot believe that. That is so crazy. So Merry Christmas Eve to those of you that do celebrate Christmas. So my apartment is just a crazy mess, and I'm trying to get it taken care of before Christmas. So this is the laundry situation I have going on in my room right now. And as you can see, it's pretty ridiculous. If you've been following me for a while, you know that my washer and dryer is not in my apartment. We actually have a laundry facility downstairs. So I really dread doing laundry, obviously, which is why I have so much, because it can be so tiring and really hard just to carry your laundry back and forth all the time. So here I'm just separating my laundry in darks and colors just so I can get some of this pile taken care of. But if you are new to my channel and this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is MCQueen. I'm a stay-at-home mom and a homeschool mom, and I post motivational cleaning videos every Monday. So I would love for you to be a part of my channel, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. these are the baskets of laundry that I have to fold. I'm gonna have to wait to get to those. I know I won't be able to finish them. I'm gonna be so tired after finishing this. Okay, that is all that I have for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this cleaning video. I also wanted to share a little bit of a story time with you guys. This is pretty funny. Well, it's funny now, but it wasn't funny then. But I literally had to stop in the middle of cleaning this video because my husband and daughter were saying that our dog went missing. The little Chihuahua you guys may always see in our video. Well, nobody had went outside besides me to the laundry room, and nobody let her out. And so I thought that my husband and daughter were playing a prank on me, that our dog was missing. And so I just kept saying, "You're joking, you're joking." They're like, "No, we're serious, the dog is missing." So I'm like, okay, I start searching the whole house. I'm looking under pillows, under blankets, because that's usually what she does, is bury herself under things. And I'm thinking, how did she get out? Nobody let her out. Where did our dog go? And I'm realizing that it's not a joke, as my husband goes outside and he goes wandering our apartment complex with our daughter looking for the dog. So I say, okay, this is definitely not a joke anymore. And I start panicking and I start feeling really sad, like, oh man, like it's almost Christmas, like my daughter's dog is missing, like we love our dog. And so we continue. I go around to all the neighbors' houses. I'm knocking on their doors. Have you seen our Chihuahua? Have you seen our dog? And they're like, no. Like, did she run away when you took her outside? And I'm like, no. She somehow disappeared from our apartment magically, and nobody let her outside. So they were probably all thinking that I'm crazy. So we're looking for our dog for literally almost an hour. And we're looking, and all of a sudden I hear a cry. I hear a little whimper. And I tell my husband, I'm like, and then we go searching through the whole apartment again, and we still don't see anything. And then we hear a cry again, and we still don't see anything. So we say, okay, she's in the house somewhere. And then my daughter goes into the bathroom and opens up the cabinet under the sink and is like, Willow, and then says, oh, I forgot I put her under there. which was like an hour and a half previously. So our daughter put her dog in the cabinet under the sink. And so, yeah, on that note, I am done for the night. I'm definitely emotionally and physically drained. I'm happy that our dog is found, but I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas and all that. And I hope you enjoy this video and find it motivational, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.